This tutorial is about a new import feature for Kurator for importing YouTube channels. Now you can import any YouTube channel by simply copying the channel address. I'm going to go to the channel, for example, The Hill, copy the address, go over to Kurator. Now you can see a command. Click on the three dots, you get the command import YouTube channel. At this point, just add the channel address in here. You can choose how many videos you want to import. I'm gonna put 200 for the sake of this exercise and say import, and then put in the name of the channel, The Hill, and import it. Depending on how many channels you're importing or how many posts you're importing, it may take anywhere from 10 seconds to 30 seconds. You can see here is The Hill. I can now sort this any which way. I'm going to sort it by the first latest published. You can see 2/26/24. Now, I want to mention that this is not an RSS reader. That means that it doesn't automatically update new content. It's meant for you to import a number of videos from a channel instantly. It could be for your own use, but also if you want to publish the content or you want to use it for the Kchat solution that we have, this is a great way for you to very quickly import a number of videos from a channel very quickly. Now what you notice here is that The Hill is used for the author, and there are no content tags in here. So if I wanted to use this for my published content or for my Kchat, what I would do is open it. Once I've opened the video in a tab, I can then use my favorite tool. In this case, I'm going to use Glass to generate the transcripts, copy the transcripts, go over to Kurator. You can see that the author here is Brianna Jo Gray and Robbie Soff, so I could potentially put The Hill over here as the publisher and then put in the names of Brianna, let me spell it correctly, B-R-A-H-N-A, Brianna Joy Gray, and Robbie Soff, right? So this is, and then I'm simply going to delete this and paste the transcripts in here. I have a special tutorial for how you can prepare this content depending on the kind of applications that you have. Over here, I'm going to also edit the headline and save it. Obviously, I'm going to then add the content tags in here later once I've reviewed the content, and then if I want to publish it, I can drag and drop it into different folders that I have, and then they're going to automatically publish. Now, if I was going to subscribe to a YouTube channel, I use Feedly. I'm just going to copy this, go over to my Feedly. I want to show you the difference between the two. So now I'm going to say follow, and I'm going to put that into my YouTube channel and follow it in this way. Once I've imported everything and I just want to now selectively add new content to Kurator and then process it, I'm going to subscribe to it with a tool like Feedly. We have a integration with Feedly, so for me to add, for example, any of these posts to Kurator, I just have to click on read later and it's going to automatically import it into Kurator. So if you're into YouTube or you're a YouTube content publisher and you want to publish your libraries on your website or use it for our Kchat product, then try this. And you need to have a paid version in order to be able to import these YouTube videos. Give it a try.